What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently seeing at 59 cents, down 0.77 on the day. Seeing market cap 5.5 billion, 24 volume, 236 million. Let's hop into the chart. So a couple of options. This really only looks like a three-wave move to me, but these micro counts can of course be inaccurate. So if we were to bounce from this wave to pullback zone, we could see continuation to the upside. However, I know Bitcoin's starting to push up a little bit. It looks like this five-wave move is close to completion. So if Bitcoin starts to pull back, a lot of money is flowing into Bitcoin right now. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, then that might cause the alts to bleed pretty hard. So if Matic were to break this zone, break 57 cents, which is the 78.6% fib level, then there is the chance that you're still going to fill this wick and create a lower low, and basically you'd be looking at a 1-2, and then you'd be looking to come down 3, 4, 5, break that low, create a lower low. First sign of that would be a break below 0.573, and then of course if we invalidate, stronger case of filling this wick. But if Matic can hold this pullback zone and see continuation to the upside, then there is a chance of an impulse. All right, gang, taking a look at the daily chart, as we can see, we are still holding the golden ratio. If we fill that wick, the next major support is the 78.6 at about 44 cents. So we'll have to see how that plays out. ETH does look like we have a beautiful five-wave move. If we create a higher high, then this wave count simply isn't finished yet. We did meet the minimum target for the wave 2, but as I mentioned, Bitcoin looks like, wow, nice little push right now. Bitcoin looks like it's still completing this wave count, and then eventually we'll see its pullback. And that's when you'll see a pullback for Ethereum as well. So if we do pull back from here, your target zone's in between 1649 and 1693. If we break the 78.6, then it would be less likely this is a wave 2. But as of right now, this is what we're focused on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll make that bigger. Come on, submicro. And that's what you look at, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we just come up and break these highs, then this wave count may not be complete just yet. We'll have to see how that plays out. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders. If we break the neckline, target is 1866. If we do pull back from here, I think it's likely we bounce and end up breaking that neckline anyways. Beautiful bullish reversal pattern here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Daily time frame, let's see how we're doing with those daily EMAs. Yeah, we still got a ways to go to get back above those daily EMAs, as we did print the bearish cross. But it's good to see that inverse head and shoulders, bullish reversal pattern. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. If we can push up and break these highs, we can see an impulse. As I mentioned, once Bitcoin does see its pullback, if Matic bleeds, starts to break below 0.0573, higher likelihood, especially if we invalidate that we do fill that wick and create a lower low, and basically you'd be looking at like a 1-2. And then coming down in a 3, 4, 5, break that low, create a lower low before seeing continuation to the upside. We are currently in 4 trades right now, which you can receive a 30-day free trial. If you sign up to Bybit or Bitkit, I think Bitkit opened up in a separate tab for some annoying reason. Up to 30K in bonuses on Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on Bitkit. Sign up to either one, email me. Your sign up email takes 2 minutes. And you can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays Forex signals analysis as well. If you want direct access, it's only 10 USD per month. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto as well. All links in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.